Welcome back. So I know I promised you guys a unit of work right here in the layer right here, but I'm not going to do that right now. I can see that my videos are starting to get really complex just with the architecture we've built so far. If we add unit of work right now, it'll be so hard to understand. And that's one thing. Another thing, we don't have access to a database right now, so unit of work won't make that much difference until we actually get a database, and then we'll bring it back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the unit of work here and add a DALFacade instead for now. So we're inside the code again, and inside the customer app data access layer we're going to add a new class, and that new class is going to be called the data access layer facade, or DALFacade. There we go. So now we have the facade ready, and inside the facade, which is of course going to be public because I want others to access it from the outside of the package, right? Now that facade is going to get a property right here, and let's just do prop so you guys can see how to use that, and then I'll do the iCustomer repository like this, and I'll just call it customer repository like this. Now let me just new line this because I'm going to make a few more changes to this. The property is going to not get a setter right here, it's just going to have a getter like this, and that get method is actually just going to return the actual new a new customer repository fake DB, repository fake DB, which is actually a implementation of the actual iCustomer repository lying right here under the repository packages, right? So it's this guy right here. This guy right here under the repositories. That's the one I'm returning right now. Now notice this is where I could actually go and change this to actually accessing a database instead, which we will do later. But for now, we actually made a data access layer facade now, and we can go and use that in the next lesson so we can start getting our application up and running again. See you next time.